Hello everyone, and welcome to Smart Architectural Programming. Today, we're going to build an exciting project, a job board application that aggregates job listings from various sources and allows users to search and apply for jobs. We'll be using JavaScript to bring this project to life. So, let's dive right in. Before we start coding, let's understand the structure of our job board application. We'll break it down into the following steps. 1. Fetching job listings from APIs. 2. Displaying job listings on the front end. 3. Implementing search functionality. 4. Creating an apply feature. First, we'll fetch job listings from various APIs. For this example, let's assume we have two sources, a generic job API and a specific company API. We'll use JavaScript's fetch API to get the data. In this code, we fetch job listings from two different APIs using the fetch API and handle them asynchronously using promise.all. The fetch job data is then combined and passed to the display jobs function. Next, we'll create a function to display these job listings on our web page. We'll use basic HTML and JavaScript to dynamically generate job listing elements. In this code, the display jobs function creates and appends job listing elements to a container with the ID job list. Each job listing includes the job title, company, location, and an apply button. Now, let's implement the search functionality to allow users to filter job listings based on keywords. The search jobs function filters the job listings based on the keyword provided. An event listener on the search input triggers this function, updating the displayed jobs in real time. Finally, let's create a function to handle job applications. When a user clicks the apply button, we'll simulate an application process. In this simple example, the apply for job function displays an alert with the job ID. You can expand this function to include form submissions or API calls to complete the application process. And that's it. We've built a job board application that aggregates job listings, displays them, allows users to search, and provides an option to apply for jobs. This project showcases how you can use JavaScript to create dynamic and interactive web applications. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more programming tutorials. See you in the next video. You can find the complete code for this project in the description below. Happy coding!